আপনারা দেখছেন সংবাদ বাংলা।
Everyone and for turning up in strength at short notice. Purpose of today's press conference is to clear certain doubts that may have arisen regarding the recent notifications made by Government of India regarding jurisdiction of Border Security Force, and also regarding some new assets being introduced in Sundarbans for enhancing the security in that area. First, I will deal with the new notifications that have been issued. I'll request all of you, we have issued a press note with the details. It has been distributed. Section 139 of the Act is the relevant section. Wherein powers and duties of the members of the force have been prescribed, and it has also been stated under what acts BSF can be empowered and in what manner. And accordingly, over a period of time, several notifications were issued under Criminal Procedure Code, Passport Act, Passport Entry into India Act 1920, and some other acts as well. In these acts, jurisdiction of Border Security Force in the context of state of West Bengal was provided as 15 kilometer. Recently, on 11th October 2021, Government of India, Ministry of Home Affairs has notified 3 separate notifications, both at the border as well at the hinterland. Now, what I want to clarify is, as a result of the 3 notifications which I mentioned, jurisdiction of Border Security Force in the state of West Bengal has been enhanced up to 50 kilometers. As have come out in some of the media reports, there is some apprehension that Border Security Force will now start interfering with the law and order machinery in the state when the jurisdiction has been extended up to 50 kilometers. I would like to clarify, as mentioned earlier, Border Security Force has no power of investigation. We do not have power of registration of FIR. Whatever search, seizure or arrest that we make, it is handed over to the concerned law enforcement agencies, that also includes the state police. And it is for them to register FIR and take further action, whatever is required in the matter. Even after the aforementioned 3 notifications that materialized on 11th October, the situation remains the same. The power of the Border Security Force regarding search, seizure and apprehension or arrest remains the same. Only the area has been extended from 15 kilometers to 50 kilometers. As you will see, I mentioned 3 notifications. One under CRPC, where the power of search, seizure and arrest has been given to Border Security Force. And the other two notifications are regarding Passport Act and Passport Entry into India Act. This basically refers to the power of Border Security Force to apprehend persons who are infiltrating from the other side of the border, or persons who are found in the vicinity of border or in our area of jurisdiction who have violated Passport Act and Passport Entry into India Act. These notifications do not confer any other additional power on Border Security Force, which I said earlier, as made out from news reports in certain quarters, that Border Security Force will start meddling in law and order situation is not at all correct. If there is any misgiving, any apprehension in this regard, I would like to clear that in this meeting. As before, we will continue to function in complete synergy with the state police and other law enforcement agencies. And as I mentioned, we have a wonderful relationship, and we have a very cordial relationship with all the law enforcement agencies. If any of you have any question in this regard, you are most welcome.
Because of this whole stretch in the Chicken Snake, which is a very narrow stretch, now with the jurisdiction being extended to 50 kilometers, you are almost in control of the entire Chicken Neck, that narrow stretch. Now, Army is also concerned because it is a very sensitive area. The civil administration is also concerned. How do you plan to work with the major stakeholders there as far as Chicken Neck is concerned?
So, let me make it clear to you. Our mandate is guarding the international border along the Bangladesh. So, your query is with regard to Chicken Neck. So, we are guarding our part of the border, and this extension of jurisdiction in the hinterland. This again, that's why I am repeatedly saying, please go through the notification. It has a very limited purpose. If some action is taking place at the border, you are apprehending somebody, and you get some information or something, and that some verification is immediately required in the hinterland, so that you can proceed there. This is what we have been doing for several years. There has never been any problem, and I can assure you that from Border Security Force side, there will not be any problem, just because our jurisdiction has been increased from 15 kilometers to 50 kilometers.
सर, ये बिहार तो मेंशन नहीं किया गया नोटिफिकेशन में, लेकिन ये चिकन स्नेक में अगर आप 50 किलोमीटर आपका जुरिस्डिक्शन है, तो ये बिहार का अंदर घुस जाएंगे। तो ये जो चिकन स्नेक है, इस जगह पर थोड़ा सा वेस्ट बंगाल है, 22 किलोमीटर।
I'll again request, please go through the notification, because there is complete clarity in that, what area it is referring to.
नहीं, 50 किलोमीटर तो नोटिफिकेशन
आप उसको पढ़ लीजिएगा,
आप एक बात बोल दीजिए कि बिहार तो नोटिफिकेशन में नहीं है, लेकिन चिकन स्नेक में,
तो इसका मतलब it doesn't include Bihar. It is as simple as that. Notification is before you. Please study it. If you want any legal interpretation, please get somebody in touch with the legal. As far as we are concerned, there is absolute clarity to us, and we know where we stand.
सर, जो ये फिनिशिंग का लाइन है 50 किलोमीटर बढ़ाया जा रहा है, सबसे बड़ा सवाल है कि लैंड को लेके कि जमीन आपको राज्य सरकार से लेना पड़ेगा, तो इसके लिए क्या आप लोग,
ये भी मैं गलतफहमी दूर करना चाहूँगा कि इसमें ज़मीन लेने देने का कहीं भी कोई प्रश्न नहीं उठता है। सिर्फ ये इस बात की है कि कितना हिंटरलैंड में हम कहाँ तक जा सकते हैं। इसमें कोई नया बीओपी बनाने की बात नहीं है, कुछ ज़मीन लेने की बात नहीं है। दिस डज नॉट अफेक्ट।
एरियल डिस्टेंस होगा सर काउंटी, मतलब कैसे अपना ज्यूरिडिक्शन कैसे अपन तय करेंगे कि यहाँ तक हमारा,
जैसे अभी 15 किलोमीटर करते हैं।
Sir, there were some issues with the state government as far as the land acquisition is concerned in the unfenced border. Has those issues been resolved lately, or because there have been every year we see a budget is allocated from MHA, the fence is to be built, but again because of land
We are in touch with the state government, and I can say with full confidence we are getting full cooperation from the state government in this regard, and we are hopeful in time to come. We will be able to get the land that we want, so that required infrastructure can be put in place.
फोर्स के लिए अच्छा है या
फोर्स के लिए अच्छा और बुरे की बात नहीं है, देश के लिए क्या अच्छा है उसकी बात है।
कई जगह पर तो जगह कम कर दिया गया।
उसके बारे में मुझे कुछ नहीं कहना है।
सर,